మాట్లాడుతున్నా.
Jagdish, you are not audible. Jagdish, you are not audible.
Hello. Hello. Ashwin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes,
Okay.
Jagdish,
Are you able to see Excel screen?
fine now.
Okay. Can you hear me
Yes,
properly?
we can.
Okay.
Yes, Jagdish,
Then
we can hear you.
okay. Company. So under company there will be a company code. So under company code there will be a plant and storage location. Okay. Now we'll discuss something on this enterprise structure. How interviewer will ask some questions on this. Okay. I will ask some questions. Okay. So they will ask like, is it possible to assign number of company code to one company? Like that they will ask. That time you have to say yes, yes, it is possible to assign number of company code to each company. Like that you have to answer. And they will ask like, is it possible to assign two company code to one plant? So what they are asking, is it possible to assign two company codes? So here we are having company code 1 and company code 2. What that guy is asking, is it possible to assign company code 1 and company code 2 to plant 1? Okay,
Possible.
he's asking. No, that is not possible. Okay, so each company code will be having number of plants. Okay, it is not possible to assign two company code to one plant. Possible to assign number of plant to one company code.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yeah,
Yes,
got it,
yes,
got it.
yes, sir.
Okay. So possible to assign number of plants to one particular company code. Okay. Not possible to assign two company code to one plant. Okay. Like that they will ask some questions on this. Okay. And again, so one plant, under one plant we can assign number of storage locations. See, I'm telling you, under plant 1 we are having storage location 2, 3, 4. Under plant 1 we are having storage location 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 5. Interviewer will ask like, is it possible to assign storage location to company code? He will be asking something. You have to say there is no link between storage location and company code because we are assigning storage location within a plant. Okay, there is no link between storage location and company code. So storage location will be under plant. That is not possible. Understood? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So now purchasing organization. So purchasing organization we will assign for a plant and a company code. That's it. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll design this enterprise structure in SAP. Okay. Before going to design, I will tell you something. How to log into SAP and what will be the client. Okay. So before that, I will tell you initial space.
Sir, sir,
I
one
tell
small
me.
doubt, sir, in this Excel.
Mhm.
Sir, you told the purchase organization can be assigned for company code and plant, na?
Yes, yes. We can assign for a company code as well as a plan.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So you will get full idea whenever we are going to design no in SAP. That time you will get a full idea. Keep in mind this is a standard SAP enterprise structure. Okay. Each and every company will follow this format only. Okay. Now, okay. So this is our SAP logon. So this is our initial path. Okay. If you want to log into SAP, you have to double click on the SAP logon. Okay. This is it. So again, I'm double clicking. So you will get SAP in here like that. So here you will be getting this screen. So these are the SAP servers. Okay. For example, if you are having a development, quality, and production, you will be having three lines here. Okay. So just I will tell you. So I will copy user ID and password. If you want to log into this server, you have to double click on that. See, client, user, password. So I will tell you client. What is client? I will open one Excel. So yesterday I told you about a system landscape. Can you hear me properly? Okay. Today in last session we had discussed about system landscape. There will be a three servers: development, quality, and productions. So whatever development thing will happen in a development server, so that development you want to move to the next server will move through one number. So for that number we are calling as a please tell me anyone with the help of which functionality will move development server functionality through quality server.
Transport request, na, sir?
That's correct. So before going to move, which activity? So I told you TR release. So with the help of P code SE09. Okay. Understood no? So basis guys will move that TR to the next server. Correct now? Is there any confusion? We discussed this thing in the last session. There is no confusion, no? Kiran?
No, Jagdish.
No, here.
It's okay.
why I'm telling again and again on this, being a consultant, you should know all these things. Okay, if you don't know about TR, no, you are not a consultant. You are just a end user. Like that, interview people will think about you. Okay, so now we are talking about client. So client in the sense, so I will take a server. So I will take a development server here. So client under it. Okay. Sometimes some clients, for each and every server, they will be having two clients, especially for a development, not for all the servers, especially for a development server. How they are designing like that. In a client 100 will be doing configuration, only configuration, or sometimes they are calling as a golden client. So server is only one server. Under that server, so 100 client is only for a configuration. You can say it is a golden client. Here in a 100 client, so if you enter 100, no, whenever we are going to log in, that server is only for the configuration. So after configuration, if you want to check the functionality, so again we have to log into through 200 client. So you can say this is only for testing. So server is same, but client is different. So 100 client only for the configuration. So 200 client only for the testing. Now question is, so within same server, we are comparing configuration has done only under 100 clients, not under 200. So how to transfer this 100 client configuration to 200 client? Whether basis consultants required, whether TR required, we have to think about that. Okay. So if you want to transfer TR from one server to other servers, so basis guy will do. So before that, basis guy, being a functional consultant, we have to release through SC09. Okay. So here within same server, if you want to transfer that functionality, that development from one client to next client, so T code is SCC1. Yes, SCC1. So you have to keep in mind all the T codes. So these are the basic T codes you should know. You should aware about all the things. So AC09 only for a release of TR. So SCC1 transferring the configuration from one client to another client within same server. Okay. So why I'm telling here, sometimes some clients are using only one client. It can be configuration or it can be for testing. In that situation, no need to transfer this configuration to the next client, because we are doing within same client, even configuration, even testing. Sometimes some clients are using two clients for a one server. That time what we have to do? So under golden client, so basis guys will tell you which is a golden client, which is a testing client. So under golden client, we have to do configurations and new development. So after development, if you want to test that functionality, we have to move that functionality through SCC1 to the next client. I will show you all the things in SAP. Just you have to know about all these things theoretically. Understood? No? Is there any question on this? This is a server to server transfer. This is within server client to client transfer. Any question, Galapa, Ashwin? Anyone?
No, Jagdish.
No, sir.
So
Thank you.
when we hit this, when we type this code, will suppose we are doing multiple clients. It seems like 100, 200, 300 servers will be there. Will it show
Okay.
like different client server numbers, or it will directly get switched off?
See, actually, here there will be a path. So, what
Okay.
basis people will do, they will write up some codings here, like 100 client is only para golden, 200 client is only para testing like that. So, based on this information, you have to log in here.
So what is
Okay.
the difference between golden and configuration?
Golden configuration same only, no? What I'm telling here. So, configuration client, golden client, both same. Some people are telling like a configuration client. Okay, some people are telling like a golden client, both same only. Okay,
What do you mean by testing client?
testing in a sense, for example, in last session I told you something. Okay, in a configurations client, I will develop some report or whatever it may be. Okay, so in testing server, I will test this report is working fine or not. That's it, nothing else.
Okay.
So here I will develop some functionality based on the customer requirement. That requirement is working or not. Here I will test.
Fine.
Okay, Kiran, understood, no?
Got it.
Okay, so this is about clients. So transferring the functionality from one client to another client with the help of T code SAP Python. So one server to another server, basically I will do. Before that, we have to release that particular CLTR with the help of SP09. Okay, so here you have to give username and password. Okay, after that, just enter. Continue. So this is the initial screen of SAP. This is the initial screen of SAP. So here this is T code bar. This is menu bar. Okay. This is T code bar. This is menu bar. Okay. So this is work area. So just I will tell you. T code bar in the sense for each and every functionality will work through T code only here. Okay. For example, if you want to create a material, I will tell you. So T code MM01, just enter. So system will open that particular screen. Okay. So create a material. Again, I will tell you. So this is the initial screen of SAP. You can say home screen. So this is the T code bar. If you want to access any functionality, you have to access to T code, or you can access to path only. Path also, I will tell you later. But you have to think about only this is the work area. This is T code bar. This is menu bar. Okay. So if you want to access any T code, just you have to type mm01. Okay. And also I will tell you some functionality now only. If you want to go back, initial screen. Now see. Now screen is create material screen. If you want to go back for initial screen, you have to click on this icon. This is for back. Okay. Otherwise, I will tell you one more. Just slash n. Slash n is nothing but back. You have to give slash n. Just enter. Again, you will be in home screen. Okay. So again, I will tell you one more thing. So MM01 is a create material screen. Okay. Sometimes you require like a this screen also required and one more screen if you want. That time what we have to do /o mm02 like that. I will enter now. What will happen? See, this screen is there along with this screen. One more screen came. Okay, /o means new screen. /n means back. Okay, this is the functionality how we have to work here. So here you have to type any code. If you want to come back, you can click this icon or you can enter like a /n. If you want one more screen, you can click here, create a new screen, new session. Okay. If you don't want, you can enter /o, just enter. One more screen will come. Okay. This is the basic thing about this screen, SAP screen. So tomorrow, what we will do, we will design this infrastructure in SAP. Okay. We'll close call now because time is 7. Okay. Tomorrow we'll design this infrastructure in SAP. Okay. Is there any question on this?
No, sir, I don't have.
What I'm telling you, you have to be confident on last session what we have discussed now. You have to be confident on that. What is CR and all those things. Okay. So the CR, FS and SC1, SC09, these are the basic things. So it should not.